Hi crafty friends! Carol here with Carol's Cricut Crafts. We're going to take a look at the new feature Cricut Photo Art, and we'll take a quick look at Coloring Pages also. Coloring Pages launched about a month ago, so you might already be familiar with it. These features are included with your Access subscription. If you're not a subscriber, I believe you still will have a few credits to try out these new features. I have links for the photo art and coloring pages. They are not in Design Space. They are online and they are in beta. So I'll post the links in the description below so you can give them a try and have some fun. Let's take a look at these new features. So here we are on the photo art page. It's a feature, an app that you can use online on your computer or Mac. So you can see at the bottom that I've been playing with it, a few different images that I played with in different ways and selected different styles and sizes. So I've just added a picture of myself that I use in Facebook as my profile image. This feature is really fun for creating profile images, print and cut for cards or wall art, whatever it is you want to do. You can even do a paper craft version. So let's go ahead and select something to see how it turns out. I'll start with 3D. I think that's cute. 3D, I want my image to be square, and you can see that I generate for 1 credit. So each time I generate an image, it will take 1 credit. I'm just going to click generate. It does take a minute to create your image, but it's worth the wait. They are really fun, really terrific. Isn't that cute? So you can say try again if you want to redo it. Generate again for 1 credit, and let's see how it changes my image. You can also see this one lower down is one that I created. It put me in overalls with curly hair. Very fun. These are super cute, aren't they? You can keep on using try again, or you can create new. Let's try a different image. This is just a generic image that I asked for in AI. So let's go ahead and find something. Let's try 80s glamour. Oh, but you know what? I also want to add some text. We don't have to. You don't have to. You can just go ahead and select a style. But I'm going to ask to make the image light and romantic. Let's generate for 1 more credit. This is the one it created when I was playing, 80s Glamour. Very cute. I also did a watercolor portrait and an heirloom portrait with that generic image. Really, really fun. Ooh, that's strange. Let's try again. And I'm going to select 80s Glamour this time. For something light and romantic, I think 80s glamour works really well. But you can see that you can just try again until you get the image that you want. But do remember that each time you generate, it does use 1 credit. So I can just save this image below. I don't have to do anything. It will save. I can download, share. Let's see what share looks like. It copies a link for me to share it. I can download and I can choose PNG, PDF, or send to my printer. Isn't that terrific? It really does a beautiful job of generating images. Let's go back to create new. I want to try one more for you. Oh, let's try that one I used of myself again. There we go, my profile image. And I'm choosing Papercraft and Generate. You can see that I tried one earlier and it turned out really cute. These can be so nice to frame for wall art. There's so many different ways you can use them. I love this. It turned out terrific, really terrific. I'm going to download and save it. I'll download as a PNG. Isn't that great? So just for a quick look, we're going to see the coloring pages. I know you've probably seen this already because it did launch about a month ago, but let's have fun with it. I'll use my profile picture, select Classic, and I'll select Square and Generate for 1 credit. So you can see that both features, photo art and coloring page, both work in the same way. They're super easy to use and you can have so much fun with them. There we go, just a very simple drawing. Isn't that great? Because I chose Classic. I also tried a couple of different ones. There we go, Magazine Cartoon and Classic I tried yesterday. So that's it, folks. This is the new custom photo art and coloring pages brought to you by Creative Labs Cricut. I hope you're going to enjoy them. As I mentioned, check the description under this video. You'll find links to both features so you can try them out. Enjoy. Thank you for watching.